Hi, friends. Welcome back to Lori's Learning Tree. Today, we're going to learn about the short I sound. That's the sound you hear in words like sit, pig, and lip. Let's get started. Let's listen for the short I sound. I. I'll say some words. If you hear short I, clap your hands. Ready? Pin. Short I, clap. Cap. No short I. Sit. Short I, clap. Dog. No short I. Wig. Short I, clap. Awesome listening. The letter I can stand in the middle of a word and make the short I sound. I. Let's practice some CVC words. That means consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's blend some short I words. S, I, t, sit. I, g, pig. L, I, lip. F, I, n, fin. W, I, n, win. Now, let's map out some words. Let's map out the word dig. Say the sounds d, I, g. Tap them out. D, I, g. 3 sounds. Write the letters d, I, g. Great job. The middle letter I makes the I sound. Mit. Say the sounds. I, t. Tap them out. I, t. 3 sounds. Write the letters. I, t. Great. The middle sound is I. Bib. Say the sounds. B, I, b. Tap them out. B, I, b. 3 sounds. Write the letters. B, I, b. Excellent work. Now let's read a short sentence with our CVC words. Ready? The pig can sit. Let's read this together. The pig can sit. One more time, faster. The pig can sit. Awesome fluency. Let's see how fast you can read these words. Here we go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun reading lessons.